Modi's oath-taking ceremony. It has been a big thing for BJP because they are taking on to the power for the third time. So what is that oath-taking time and the horoscope tells you about? He has taken the oath on June 9th, 2024 at 7:27 p.m., which is the Sandhi of Vrichiga Lagna and Dhanusu Lagna. But mostly it is in the Vrichiga Lagna where many planets are in the 7th house, like Jupiter, Mercury, Sun, Venus in the 7th house, Mars in the 6th house, and Moon in its own house of Kataka, Saturn in his own house of Saturn. Now what this will all bring in? The Mars is very weak, so there can be some form of war or agitation which Modi has to face. But many planets in 7th house with Sun and Venus in the Graha Yuddha, it's going to be challenging to maintain the coalition partners together, which will have some impact with the working conditions or running the administration with ease. Will Modi will have a easy go through in this third term? There are two prime ministers who were able to go into the 3 terms. In fact, 3 prime ministers, but the long-standing were the 2 prime ministers. One was Jawaharlal Nehru, another was Indira Gandhi. When Jawaharlal Nehru took the prime ministership for the 3rd time, halfway through he fell sick and died, and Lal Bahadur Shastri became the interim prime minister. Now this was the case. The second level for Indira Gandhi, after the 2nd term, there was Morarji Desai who took in to be a PM. Then she came in the 3rd term. That's when she was assassinated after the Sikh turbulence. So for Modi to be in the power in the 3rd term is going to be really challenging. History repeats, is in the same time for Vajpayee. If you take the Vajpayee horoscope, first he took it in 1996. It was very short term. The 3rd term was the full term. So it was a reversal. First 2 terms what Vajpayee took was a very short term interval what he was having. It was like an interim government, 2 years. Then the final time when he took oath, it was with the full blown 5 years he was able to be the PM and finish the tenure. For Modi, the first 2 terms was the full BJP rule. So the 3rd term, it's going to be like the pattern of either Jawaharlal Nehru or Indira Gandhi, where he is going to have lot of disturbance in completing the term. So there can be a change of prime ministership, or Modi will be forced to come down for some unknown reasons. The second important thing is India is going to start the period of Mars. So when Moon period started, that's when BJP came to power. So when Venus period started, that's when Manmohan Singh took over India and he opened the economic freedom which came inside. So the same way, when the new Dasa starts, the Indian power shifts and turns, and the new part of a president or a new person comes inside and take over and rules India. So with the Mars Dasa, it could mean that Modi will have crisis. And for him to complete this 3rd term, even though the oath-taking chart is too good, many planets in 7th house, strong, except for Mars, all the planets are placed in a very good position. But with the pattern what it is shown in Indian independence chart, and from 1951 for Modi, it's going to be a difficult time to complete the 3rd term. So vote taking may make BJP very strong in this coming 5 years, but for the completion, it's going to be challenging. The other thing is, will BJP also make it into the 4th term, which is a very big question mark, because in Indian independence history, no one has ruled consecutively for the 4 years. And will the coalition continue? Yes, the coalition will continue, because when Rajiv Gandhi took over Indian Prime Ministership in 1984 after the death of his mother, after that 5-year period, it's always been coalition. It's no one party winning. So BJP was able to break it in the initial run, but coming forward, it's going to be the coalition party and state parties having a strong say in the center. For BJP and Modi, the tough challenges are ahead. With Mars being weak, a war can be imminent with the neighboring China and Pakistan. Even though the Modi government is anticipating a war, some unknown factor can trigger the war. So this is Jayashree Astrologer talking about Modi oath-taking ceremony. Thank you.